Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect on wallet to Pixelverse. First of all, you have to open your Pixelverse here, and once you open it up, you have to log in into your account. So make sure just you need to log in into your account, right? And once you log in and navigate to the wallet connection, click on your profile icon or the select that allow you to connect to your wallet. This is typically found in the settings or in the account menu, right? And once you does that, select connect to a new wallet. You will see a list of supported wallet. Choose Tron wallet from the option. Access your Tron wallet. Just go to website, or you can also do it with the wallet section, right? And once you go here, access your Tron wallet if you have the Tron wallet, like the Telegram wallet, right? And open it up. If not, you may need to download it or access it through a compatible platform. In your Tron wallet, find your wallet address. This is usually done by selecting the option to receive or share your wallet address. Paste the address in your Pixelverse, confirm the connection, check connection status. Once connected, you should see your Tron wallet listed in your Pixelverse account settings. Right, so just by following all these steps, you will definitely able to connect Tron wallet to Pixelverse. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.